Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called remove nth node from end of list. Let's read it. Given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. A follow-up that has been given to us is could you do this in one pass? Alright, so we've been given a linked list and we've been also given a n value and we have to remove the nth node from the end. All right, we have to delete the nth node which is from the end, and we have to return the linked list which we get after the deletion. So if the linked list is only containing one element, we have to return an empty linked list, and if n is value is 1, so we have to return an empty linked list. If n is equal to 1 2 the linked list is 1 and 2 and n is equal to 1, then at that time we have to return 1 because 2 is the first element from the end which needs to be deleted here. So uh, we have to basically have been number of nodes in the list is sz, and sz is between 1 and 30. Node dot val is between 0 and 100, and n is between 1 and sz. All right, so these are the constraints which has been given to us. So uh, first I'll basically solve this problem, and I'll explain how I'm solving each step, and I'll tell you the reason why we are doing it. And it is quite intuitive, and let's just get into it. All right, so first we create a base condition that if head is equal to null pointer or heads next is equal to the null pointer, we return an empty linked list which is null pointer. We do not point it to anything. So for example, the linked list is only containing 1, and we have to remove the n is equal to 1 value, which is the nth node from the end is 1. So we only have one element in the linked list, correct? So therefore we return uh, an empty linked list because 1 would be deleted, and we have to return an empty linked list. All right, so this condition would be solved here. Now, what I'll be doing is that I'll be making two pointers to traverse through the linked list. And uh, first thing, what I would do is that I would create one pointer, and I would want that pointer to reach the nth node from the start. All right. And then I would create the second pointer, and I would check if, if this second pointer is equal to the null pointer, like if it is at the end of the linked list. So then that means we are having a linked list which is containing only two elements. So I'll just explain it here. So let me just create those two pointer. List node star c1 is equal to head. I initialize it to head. List node star c2 is equal to the head. Now so an example, linked list would be 1 and 2, and then it is point 2 null pointer, and I create two pointers, c1 is here, c2 is here, and we have to remove the nth node, which is the second node from the linked list, second node from the end. All right, so now here what I'll do is that I would increase the second pointer till the time we reach n minus minus basically till the zeroth, till the nth node from the start. All right, so I'll do while of n minus minus till the time n is equal to 0. So when we reach here, n is equal to 1. When we reach here, n is equal to 0. Now we check the condition. If c2 is equal to null pointer, it is equal to null pointer, right? So we know that the first element needs to be deleted, and it is a linked list of only two elements. All right, so therefore we return c1's next, which is basically the heads next, and we would return only two. So we would give a linked list which is containing only two here. So we need to check for this condition as well, and let me just code that part. So while n minus minus is greater than 0, so we return sorry, we do c1 is equal to c1's. All right, just let's just move the c2 pointer. C2 is equal to C2 is next, and if C2 is equal to the null pointer, then we return heads next, or maybe C1's next. That's the same. Okay, so this condition has been satisfied. We have solved the two edge cases which are very important to to look after in this problem. Now let's generalize the algorithm for all the cases where we have a long linked list. So for example, I take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it's pointing to null pointer. And we have to remove the second element from the end. So I initialize C1 here, C2 here. All right. So when we do this part of execute this part of the code, at that time we know that we have to find the second element from the start. So we reach here, n becomes 1. We reach here, n becomes 0. All right. Now we know that we are at C2. Now what we'll do? Now it's very simple and easy to understand that the number of elements which are remaining from this end till the end, all right, would be would be n minus uh, n minus the size of the linked list. All right, so we need to move the C2 pointer till the time it is null pointer, till the time its next is null pointer. That is, we need to move C2 till the end of the linked list, and we have to move the C1 pointer along with it. All right, so I'll simulate this here. So while C2 is here, then C1 comes here, C2 is here, C1 comes here. All right, now C2's next is equal to the null pointer, and we know that the condition has been satisfied. So at this time we will uh, basically remove this nth element. We know that C1's next is the element which needs to be removed. All right, because we know that the C2 pointer has reached the end of the linked list, and we are also towards the the size of the linked list where it is n minus the size of the linked list. All right, so at this time we do C1's next is equal to C1's next of next. So we remove this element and it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is the algorithm which we would be implementing here. All right. So uh, first we do while C2's next is not equal to the null pointer. Till that time we do C2 is equal to C2's next, and C1 is equal to C1's next. All right. Now at this point we know that we've got this value. We've reached the condition where C2 is at the end of the linked list. So at this point we do C1's next is equal to C1's next of next, and we delete it from the linked list, and then we simply return head head here. Wait, let me just run the code before you know ending the video. I think if there's no bug here, yeah, that works. Yeah, that is excellent. So I hope you guys understood the problem. It's fairly simple. I'll just go through it once again. So if we check the condition where if it is an empty linked list or it contains only one element, so we return a empty linked list. We return the end, delete the element from the linked list, and then we check when we make two pointers c1 and c2, and we do while n minus minus is greater than equal to 0, and we you know uh, reach to the nth element from the starting, and then we do if c2 is equal to the null pointer, so we return the head is next, which is the condition for two elements in the linked list, and then we uh, just make the pointer point till the end, till it reaches the end of the linked list, and as well as we move the first pointer, and as soon as we hit the last element of the linked list, we say that we have got the nth element, which is the next element from the C1 pointer, and we delete this element C1 by doing C1's next is equal to C1's next of next, and simply we return head then. All right. So I hope you guys understood the problem.